Alright, y'all. Today I'm gonna be teaching you a cool trick to impress your family and friends. This trick can call any animal, especially birds. All you're gonna need is a soda can. You're not even gonna need the whole soda. You only need this first part of the soda. So open the soda, and you're just gonna take the tab off. It's a neat trick. Like it's a certain frequency when you whistle into it that only animals can hear. Humans can't hear it. And I don't know why, they just get attracted to it. So anyway, once you get the tab off, probably gonna want to finish your soda first if you want it. I don't want mine, but I don't care. So you're gonna take the tab and you're just gonna bite it in half with your teeth. So you kind of bend it. You're gonna bend it and pull down. Alright, once it's successfully curved like this, you're gonna take it. You're gonna use both your hands to point it upwards like this. You're gonna put your lips on it. Just right, like about, I'd say an inch, exactly 1 inch away from it. So you're gonna take your lips and you're gonna put them in this position to make an O, and you're gonna say, if you're calling a bird, this is how you do a bird. It's like, here, little birdie, birdie, bird.